Hello everybody, your favourite Spartan here, and welcome back to a brand new video. And today we're going to be doing something really special. A few months ago I pre-ordered the Xbox mini fridge. It's finally come. It's a bit late, my order. They had loads of shipping problems, so it's finally come though, so that none of it matters. It's still in its shipping box, so I don't even know if it's in there. I hope I've not been scammed. I don't know if it's broke. It's all new to me as well. If you're new to the channel and you do enjoy what you're about to see, please consider subscribing, as it really does mean a lot to me. And thank you to everybody who is already a subscriber. Thank you for sticking around, and I hope you all enjoy. Right, so we've unboxed it. It's operational now. It is turned on. It's really quiet. If you can just about hear it. That is, if you'll focus, there's my Series X. It's even on a little stand there, so it's pretty big. And just another comparison, there is my PC right there, and it's actually almost as tall as my PC tower, so it's a really decent size. And it does have different buttons, so if you, I don't think that works, no, that doesn't do it, but if you press the well, that would be the eject disc button. If you press that, it all lights up there, so that's kind of cool. I mean, that's almost like what it looks like, on all the marketing for the actual console. It does have the green light there, I suppose. So there's that. And if you press this one, the sync button, the light turns on. It's just kind of a few little neat things it does. But it's getting cold already, and it's only just turned on. So there are actually two settings you can have. You can have maximum, which I assume is the most cold it's going to get, or eco-friendly, or just plain off. So, as you can hear, when you stick it on max, it gets a lot louder. But if if you've got everything on and everything's shooting and whatnot in the background, you're probably not going to hear it. So I hope you enjoyed that little video. I'm hoping it comes out okay. I've had to use my Samsung phone to record it because I can't find my proper stand for my other camera. So hoping it came out okay. Fingers crossed. It looks like it's going to be dead good in summer. We're going to store it because we're hoping to move out this year. So we're going to store it with all the other moving out stuff. So I probably won't actually be using it. And you don't really need cold drink in cold winter. So yeah, I'm just going to leave it for a bit. If you did enjoy and you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, as it really does mean a lot and it really helps me out. if you drop a like, and a really big thank you to everybody who is a current subscriber. Thank you very much for sticking around and supporting me, and I hope you all enjoy the video. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.